How do we convert a three-phase motor to make it run on single-phase 220 volts? The first step is changing the star connection to a delta connection. This involves repositioning the three connection terminals vertically to form a triangular wiring configuration. As a rule of thumb, in a motor, the horizontal connection of terminals represents star connection, while connecting them vertically signifies a delta connection. Apart from reconfiguring the wiring, a capacitor is required. For capacitor selection, it is crucial to check the motor's nameplate for key values, such as rated current, rated voltage, and power factor. These values are essential for calculating the required capacitor size for the motor. To determine the appropriate capacitor size, we use the following formula. For instance, if a motor has a rated current of 4.3 amps, a rated voltage of 380 volts, and a power factor of 0.8, the calculated capacitor size would be approximately 26 microfarads. For motors exceeding 1000 watts, it is advisable to include a starting switch and a starting capacitor. The starting capacitor should typically be 1 to 4 times the size of the running capacitor for an efficient startup. Let us show you a possible capacitor wiring method. Connect the selected capacitor to terminals V1 and W1 of the motor, with terminal U1 connected to the neutral wire. When applying power, connect the live wire to V1 for forward rotation and to W1 for reverse rotation.